My name is Indar Kumar Singh. I'm from Jamaica, Queens. I work for the airline at JFK International Airport. I was in a major accident 2 years ago. I was driving from work headed home. A car on the stop sign and T-boned me. I was in bad shape. My neck, I had a 15-hour surgery on my neck. My lower back, I had major surgery. I was in a cast for over 3 months. I couldn't move left or right. Well, it was referral by a friend of mine. He's a good friend of Aaron Fishkin, so he told me that they're a very good attorney, that I should come and talk to them and find out how they can resolve the matter. The experience is unbelievable. He's such a good attorney. He don't even look at you as a client. He looked at you as a family member. He was there, very informative, let me know everything up front. He made sure that I was okay. After the surgery, he called up to make sure I'm okay. Like I said, I can't say enough about him. He's a very, very good attorney. I'm very happy with the outcome. I'm very satisfied. And if anyone needs an attorney, Aaron is the guy.